to practice.
Today you will get it out.
Yeah, please, at least like one or two.
Yeah. No. Today you will get it out at least whatever you require. Okay. Because today in Saturday we are all in home, so we will upload it.
You don't need to send everything together. You can send one or two recordings and then like
Fine.
or
Yeah.
few recordings at
Yeah.
least.
You are expecting
Yeah,
the video, right? Everybody.
yeah, Hari, I haven't been able to like practice because I don't have the recordings to go back and like, okay.
Recording also. I think we need just wait for some time that Cognos are refreshing actually. It started. Okay, any questions in the yesterday's class or before meanwhile, so that I can conclude those things at least.
Yeah, Hari, I have one question.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Uh, if I publish my transformer cube, let's say I create all the dimension levels and measures, and
Mhm.
then I created a transformer cube and published.
Right.
And if after publishing I add any column from the data source
Correct.
and add that column in the dimension level,
Mhm.
what steps I need to follow to
So if
get
you
that
are
in
adding
the
any extra column or any dimension changes, you need to
uh
rebuild the cube first of all.
Okay.
So once you rebuild the cube, that doesn't mean it will appear in your Cognos connection, right? So what you need to do is you need to republish the cube as a package.
So if I can you recreate that cube with the previous one, means the existing one, or you have to create a new one?
Come again?
You have to create a new cube, or
No, no, no.
you
The same.
can.
For example, if your cube is going and replacing in the same location, that means your transfer what it is doing. First time you will create the package, right? When you are creating the package, you are giving the path of the source. Am I right? So you are giving the my
Yeah.
document or the same cube. So if you are rebuilding the cube, what will take whenever you are running the report or whenever you are running the public PowerPlay Studio or whatever it may be, it will take the path. If that path is already updated cube with the same name, then no issues. It will take directly from there. Are you getting my point?
Can you show
I
one
will.
example
I will
like
show you.
that?
One
Let
second.
me show it.
But one thing, as you asked, if any extra column is there or you want to update any extra column in the cube by modifying the columns, if you want to take that column, you need to rebuild the cube. Then only the categories will be generated and populated in the particular column. Otherwise, no. Okay, that is pretty sure. But after building the cube, whether you need to republish the cube or not, then I will show you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So any other question till now? Because it's starting actually. Any other questions? Okay. So I'm just starting the session, the transformer session which we did yesterday. Right. Say, for example, if you are adding any modify columns, as you asked, one more extra column, that column, if you are dragging into any measure, the next step is you need to rebuild the cube because that column you don't have anything. So create a selected power cube. Fine. Once you build the cube, whether you need to republish the cube or not, because whenever you build the cube, so one time only you are publishing the cube, right? Data source as well as package. Okay, so whenever you are rebuilding the cube, you see now in the properties, what is the data source? It is taking from here, transformer, power cube, Zeman sample cube. That means whenever you are building the cube, it will go and replace in this location only, right? My document location, because by default location of any cube is we put my documents. Am I right? Yesterday I showed you the paths. So my documents. You see in the my documents, in the transformer, in the power cubes, see here, Zeman sample cube yesterday you built. For example, if you are now 21, right? Yesterday you built. Now, if I am rebuilding the cube, so it will go and replace, am I right? This cube. So 22nd it will come, but with the same name. So, but our Cognos connection, from Cognos connection, what is the data source you have given when you are creating first time? Data source location is, boss, you go to this location and take the transformer cube. So that means simply it will go and check there. So if the new updated cube is there, automatically it will take that one. So whenever you are rebuilding the cube, so from our Cognos connection, you are pointing to that location with the same name. So automatically whatever the data is available in the updated cube will be appear in the PowerPlay Studio. So what you need to do is you simply need to rebuild the cube. That's it. So automatically your data source connection is already created when you are creating the master. Is it clear, Amit?
I was doing the same thing, but when I try to rebuild that, when I right click on the cube and select the create a cube, it showed me the error like that cube is already existing and I could not go further from
No,
that.
maybe you already opened the cube and then you are trying to rebuild the cube. For example, if I'm open for you, maybe there is no PowerPlay Studio, but you see now, click here. I opened it. Okay, I'm seeing in the PowerPlay Studio. I'm just checking the PowerPlay cube, right, like this. Now, if you are trying to rebuild the cube, it will show the locking. See the locking of the cube because it is probably used by other application also because it's already open.
But Hari, I see the same error like you are saying right now. Then what I did is I closed all the window except this transformer window.
Exactly, because it is already open. So when it is trying to open, it is already, whenever it is open, it is already used by other applications. So you need to close all the things. Now you try to build the cube, it will fit. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So anytime, whenever it may be, if you are trying to build the cube, at that time any of the transformer cube is opened, then it will not build because it is accessing by some other application. It will not go and input the data into that particular cube. It cannot. So that's the reason why it is important to stop all the things and then build the cube. Fine. The next one, I think Yesterday we are saying that generate the categories from selected data source, create the power cube, and create the multiple power cubes. I will show you that one. That is different case. What do you mean by update the power cubes? Anybody? For example, as you told, if I am adding one extra column or any structure is changing, I need to go ahead and rebuild the cube only. That is the only option. But for example, if I am changing the entire cube is same, data is not at all changing. I want to give the label name is different. This label name I want to give the different, or short name is different, long name is different, anything. I want to do something which is not changing the data, but I want to see the labels. I want to change the labels. Do I need to rebuild the cube once again for simple changing of the labels? No. For that, you can go ahead and update the power cubes. Simply click OK. So then automatically whatever the things you added, okay, I will check that when the path name is incorrect, it is showing. So after building the cube, I didn't save this maybe. This happens when the model is not saved after creating the cube. Okay, fine, no problem. Okay, so whenever you are updating the cube, what will happen is it will check the labels. So after cube building also, if you are changing some label changing means it don't need to build the cube once again. You don't need to recreate the cube. So when you need to create the cube, whenever you are expecting something, then whenever your accept means your data is changing or some data population is done in the database, that time only you need to rebuild the cube, or any columns are extra added. In this case, you have to do the rebuilding. But if any label changes, small object changes, short name changes, description changes, I don't need to rebuild the cube. So do the update. Simply what it will do, it will change whatever the model, as per the model, it will update it. Update the drill through report sum. Now I will show you. Update the custom views, update the currency conversion. Whatever the things is not related to the data, if you want to update it, then go for update. Don't go for create the selected power cube. It's not required. But yes, you can do that. Create selected power cube means it will take everything. But unnecessarily, why to do? If small description label changes, already the cube is built. You don't need to rebuild the cube once again for just updating the description. You can go ahead and put update. Okay, so this is very important. It will change normally labels only. And power cube, publish the power cube as a data source and package. That means we did right. Whenever you are building, you click this one and it is creating the data source as well as package to the Cognos connection. Create and activate power cubes. You will get it in the properties list. Everything we will get it. We will discuss here. Test build. Test build means, for example, if the cube is so much huge, 1 crore records are there. I don't want actually with that many records. I can put okay, 1000 records is enough. Bus. Create a power cube. That means instead of taking all the records just for our testing purpose, I can build my cube with just 1000 records or anything, whatever you want. So put 300 records or 200 records or anything. So that means it will try to build the cube with that. So now it is building the cube with 1000 records. Why it is needed normally? Say for example, if your data is having 1 crore records. So whenever it is building the cube, it may take so much time, right? But for our, just I changed some labels and I changed some descriptions, or I added one extra small measure. I want to see, I want to test my data. So that time I don't need to rebuild the cube entirely, right? Just for testing purpose, whether it is coming fine or not, I can check with 1000 records also. Same. If the functionality is working for 1000 records, it may work for 1 lakh or 1 crore records also. Just check it with small things and test it, and all the code you change it, and then you rebuild the cube for entire cube at once. So that means for testing purpose, instead of running entire cube, because it is taking one hour, if you are changing small change and then you are trying to rebuild, if it is taking 1 hour, you need to wait for 1 hour. Instead of waiting for 1 hour, go for means test data with 1000 records or 500 records, then it will be quickly built. Any questions here in the test build? Why it is needed? It's important interview question once again. Yeah, let it build and I will show you that remaining things. Yeah, please mute also. Maybe recording will not come clear. If you have any question, yes, you can unmute and talk. So it is a building now that reading the source data. Boss, remember only it is a 10% of the cases or 15% of the cases in your project you may use transformer, but not that much difficult. Simple cubes will be there. But anyhow, you learn everything, all the options you practice. Then only whatever the options we are practicing here, you may use only 20% of that in the real thing. See now, the cube is created successfully. Now you save the model. Then you see the updated selected power cube. See now updated. Previously it is not, it is coming error, right? Because after cube building you need to save it. Then only whenever you are doing the update, if any drill through definitions changed, everything will be updated in the cube. Okay. So now the cube is built. So that is the run test build. That means if I want to create a cube with 100 records, then go for test build and then put here 100 records and then click OK. What do you mean by generate the categories? Boss, I don't want to generate the cube. Before that, I want to generate the categories. That means I want to populate the data in the show diagram here. So instead of creating the cube, you need some time to generate the categories. Just check the data. If I want to check the data, click the generate categories before building the cube itself. That type of situations it will be useful. Next one. Right, diagram. Very important. You can tell 100%. Even though you don't use transformer model, the interview questions will fire on this. But if you are observing, all are disabled. Only categories means it's a show diagram. That means if you click this one. But what do you mean by the next one? Zoom in, zoom out. How can I get it? So that is simply you go here. So what do you mean by categories? Say if I'm create all the dimensions, whatever is available. So all the levels will be populated with the current data. Say in the database, America region is there. Under that, what are the countries are there? All the data, all the categories will be populated. All the categories will be populated. See this? All the categories will be populated. So if the data is available, obviously you will get it. So that means if you see the product and all those things. Now let me go ahead in the product line. These are the things are available, right? See, under cooking here, this many products are there. Now I will tell you some of the things. See, zoom in, zoom out, fit in window. So whatever the things I told you, right? Zoom in. Zoom in means it will become more. Zoom out means smaller. Zoom in means big. And fit window, it means exactly it will fit into one window. These are the things, zoom in, zoom out window. Find category means, as I told, right? Camp means whatever the things available camping equipment, it will highlight. So those are the things actually this. Now, what do you mean by hide and show? What do you mean by hide and show? For example, sleeping bags I don't want in the queue. Hide and show. See? So this will be hidden actually. In the original places, sleeping bags will be hidden because I don't want this. You just hide and show. So it will be automatically whenever you are seeing in the cube, that particular things will be hidden for you. It will not appear. The next one, set default category. Say whenever you are opening the power play transformer cube, okay, by default what it will be there in the filter, nothing will be there. If you click the drop down in the power play studio, all the camping equipment, golfing equipment will be appear. So if you are selecting golfing equipment data will come, am I right? But by default, whenever the cube is open, by default it has to select this category, golfing equipment. That means what will happen? By default, it will take the default category as golf equipment. That means it is already selected and then it will show you, because you put this as a default category. And hide and show means you know that, and exclude all those things we will get in the custom view. I will explain you. Calculated category also I will explain there. Kind category is same. So remaining all subdimensions, what do you mean by exclude, clock, suppress, suffix and flag, everything we will discuss in the custom view type. But these are the things, 4 things you need to remember: zoom in, zoom out, fit in window, hide and show, default category. So the remaining things will come under custom views, that is security creation, apex, suppress. Very important, these 5 things. These are the 5 things you will give, you will use for security purpose. Okay, fine, that we will discuss in the custom view. And tools, what do you mean by tools? Auto design. For example, you are creating the first time the cube. You are creating a new cube is creating. Quickly take the package as a source, and you take normal cube as a normal package as a source. And how to build the cube? So whatever the columns you are expecting: product line, product type, product name, order method, and maybe location, region, country, city, province, state. Sales fact, quantity, unit cost, unit price. See now, previously I didn't do run auto design. What I did, I just click here and click finish. Then I drag and drop all the things whatever I want in the dimension map. But if you put run auto design, transformer will think, okay, it will check, okay, these are the things it should be in dimension, these are the things it should be level. Whatever it know, it will try to do in the best effective manner. But sometimes it may give you wrong things, because it will create the dimension, it will create the measure, everything it will create, auto design. But it may give you wrong things, so that time you need to adjust it. Whatever it is feeling correct, it will do, but sometimes it may not be correct. Now check it out, what are the things it is building now, you will understand. You see now, it is automatically created product line, but actually product type should be the level here, but it created here, so it's wrong. So this you need to delete. And also see, country, state is here, you need to adjust it, city, and product name is here, delete. So something it will go wrong. So branch region also, see. So branch country here it should be. So it mess up. It's not correct. So that's the reason why it is always better to do instead of going for, because the reason has to come here, under reason only country has to come, but it came under product type or something. So it is thinking something different, which may not be correct always. So at that time you have to go ahead and delete. So you see here put reason. So you put location, you need to adjust it something. Location dimension. So here reason you want, right? So I take the reason as usual manually. Done. So you delete this dimension is not correct. Order method is pen. Product line is there. What's the next? Product type and product name. Done. So and if anything is there, introduction date or anything, you can. So these are the dimension correctly now. And then right click, insert the power cube, maybe XYZ cube. Then you build the cube. So automatically it will build the cube, right? So because of these things. So a run auto design means sometimes it may not take you properly, whichever is correct or wrong. Is it clear? What do you mean by auto design? So that's the reason why normally we will not take auto design. Fine, I'm going back to our original models. Okay, this one. So the next one, reset the partitions. Partitions will come in the properties of this one. So I will explain it there. Here, auto partition. So leave it. Power queue partition is the same thing. It will come there. I will explain it. What do you mean by date wizard? So date wizard means, say for example, here quarter and month is there. But I want, instead of year and quarter, month, after the days I want something customized date I want. I don't want only up to month. So that is by default how it is coming the date. When you are dragging and dropping, it is automatically creating. Am I right? But now go ahead and insert the one more date. So that is date wizard. So you please quick time dimension or something. Click next. So you need to take one date column, then only it will populate according to the standards. So introduction date I selected, click next. Do you want years? Yes. Do you want 365 days? Yes. Do you want quarters? Yes. Do you want months? Yes. Do you want weeks? Yes. By default it will not be, it will be no, because normally week level is not required. But don't take the days because it will take 365 days. No, I don't require. Click next. Do you want first day of the week is Sunday? Yes. And do you want a week should be span of month boundary is treated, that means split between the two. So for example, last week is coming and Monday to Friday or something. So different months, it has to split accordingly. And from which day you want to populate the data. Say I'm taking 2013, for example. Do you want to generate the categories now? Yes, let it generate. And starting from which date to which date you are expecting. I am expecting 2013 to 2016. Done. So now if the categories are generated, you go and check what is the time dimension categories. You see now 2013 to 2016 only generated. Quarter 1, January, and week is first week, second week, third week, fourth week, and fifth week. And go to the February. So like this. So that means if you want a customized dimension, time dimension, don't drag and drop the column directly. When you are dragging and dropping, you will get year, quarter, and day, month. But if you go for the tools and date wizard, whatever the things you need, you can customize in the weekly level, day level, or you take the first day of the month is Sunday, Monday, whatever it may be, doesn't matter for us. So it will follow the as per customized format. Okay. And what do you mean by power play? Maybe you may not get this option. Maybe the power play is not there for you. So if I click here or here, it will go and take my 7th version PowerPlay Studio which is installed in my machine. So that is the reason why I'm able to see the cube here directly, but you cannot see it. Am I right? Did you try it? The cube, by clicking this button, you may not get this one because IBM Cognos PowerPlay client is the 7th version. I integrated with the 10th version, so I am able to see. Before publishing, I can see here and then I can conclude. Then only I will publish. Natural. But for you, no, you need to publish to the Cognos connection. Then check it out. If anything is mismatching, then you need to republish. So that is the PowerPlay. If I click here, or if I click here, or if I right click the cube and view the Power Cube, all the things are same thing. It will open this PowerPlay cube in PowerPlay client. Okay, all the three options are same, but you may not get that one. Check columns, you already know that in package, if I am using some of the columns, but maybe after some time in the package I deleted, so you didn't delete here in the transformer cube also, that time you missed it, so obviously you will get error because, say for example, product type columns you deleted from the Cognos Framework Manager package, so and you publish it to the Cognos connection, so you are taking from that package. So but here you are using the product type, so whenever you are deleting the Cognos Framework Manager, you need to come here and you need to delete here, and then you need to accordingly you need to build the cube. But if you not do that, obviously it is an issue, so you need to make sure that one. Okay, so when you do that check columns, if any issues are there, it will show you, but here we didn't do anything like that, no columns mismatched. Check model. What do you mean by check model? It will check entire model and it will give you the any issues or errors. Normally if you are doing the wrong things, maybe warnings are nothing but it's a simple thing, but warnings is not a matter. If any defects are there, please take care of them. So you just delete it. Now the next one is clean house. This is very 200% interview question. What do you mean by clean house? 200%. If they asked interview question in transformer model, clean house is the one of the topmost thing. First question. So some questions are only for interview purpose. Right? In that, clean house impact is one of the question. What do you mean by clean house? So clean house will expect a date from which date you are not using the categories. That categories will be deleted. For example, in your Cognos, in your transformer, maybe the location of Southern Europe, Spain, is not at all using those. Spain is not at all using so many days. I don't want that category right in the cube. If you are not at all using from last 1 year, what is the purpose of maintaining that Spain data? So what I can do is go to the tools and clean house. If I am doing 2014, from August 2004, August 22nd, 2014 onwards, from August 22nd, 2014 onwards, if any of the category is not utilizing, so it is not touched. Say for example, Spain, I didn't touch from 2014. What could be the reason? What is the meaning of that? If I am not touching that one, what is happening actually? If you are not touching that one, from August, so that means that category is not at all using by the users. Why I need to maintain? If I click OK, the Spain categories will be deleted. But remember, once you delete, it will not be get back. You need to rebuild the cube once again. So why you are using this one? Because in the cube there is so many categories which are not using but is present. I don't want all those things whichever is not used by the user. So what I did is from 1 year onwards, if it is not touching that category, what is the purpose of that category? So delete it. So but in the real time we will never do it. In the real time we will never use this option, because if I'm deleting something production data, it may be gone. That means thing will happen. Once you rebuild the cube again, it will go and hit the database. It will take, if the Spain data is already there, it will take it. That's different case. But I don't want to delete any categories from the transformer cube which is already existing. Okay. So what is happening? So from 2014, whatever the date you do, from the date if the category, for example, Spain from 2014, from August up to December it didn't use, but maybe January one time it is used. That means it will not delete, because from this date to this date, even one single time also if it is used by any of the user, that means it will treat it as it is important, so it will not go and remove. So that's the reason why this clean house is, sometimes the user may not use it, suddenly they want to use it, right? After 1 year also they want to use, so I don't need to go and delete because the data is existing. Okay, that is the clean house. If you read the meaning, you will understand. See that all categories which have not been touched or used since this date will be removed. All categories which have not been touched or used by the user from a particular date will be removed. That is what the meaning. Users tell the same thing to the interviewers. Check local power cubes. Click it. So local power cube means, I will go and tell you what do you mean by local power cube in the properties. In the processing you will see what do you mean by local. I will explain you in the properties of that. Any other things are there from where you can show reference. Reference means which package it is used and what is the columns. You already know, right? Previously I showed unit cost as a measure, quantity, which column, what purpose it is used. Is it a measure, what is the level, all those things. That is what this. Fine. Define the custom views. We will discuss here all the things. Whatever is enabled here, not enabled, it will enable somewhere. I will explain there. In the power cube, right? It will enable all the things. Processing, drill through, data source, deployment, everything. The next.
Hari?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, Hari, one thing, small request. Can you wind up for today?
Fine, no issues. Okay.
Because we are going out.
Right, fine, no issues. Okay, guys. I think everybody is fine for that. Maybe within 10 minutes. So we can wind up today, and then please take tomorrow and day after tomorrow off, and after that Monday your time you come. Okay, I'm having day after tomorrow. I'm going to my hometown. So take 2 days off. Directly 2 days. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, there won't be any class. Meanwhile, you practice the things, all those things. But today we are trying to send some recordings. You at least the report studio recordings. We will try to practice those things. Okay.
Okay, Hari.
And
Thank you.
everybody given the Gmail is only, right, to me, because I cannot share other than that. Please try to see. Mamata and everybody is your Gmails only, right? Whichever you are getting.
My Gmail.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, I have a Gmail too.
Right. Without Gmail, I cannot share it out because we are sharing in Google Drive. Fine. Everybody is in Gmail, means no issues. Okay. Thank you. We'll meet.
You
Thank you
are
so much,
sharing
Hari.
the recording today only, or
Today you will get it. Today you will get it after some time.
okay, Hari.
Yeah,
Hari,
like 1 or 2 recordings first, and then later you can upload.
Fine,
it.
fine, Mamata. You will get it out today 100%. Maybe
Okay.
in my afternoon you will get it out. Okay.
Oh,
Right.
thanks.
But if
Thank you
I
very
can do things in the tomorrow and day after tomorrow without fail. So come up
So
with your questions then. Okay.
so Monday will be next class, right?
Yes. Your Monday, that means my Tuesday. India Tuesday.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.